So your tile is a little slipperier than you want it to be, especially when wet. Well, I have a solution for you. If you don't know me, my name is Craig and I've been a commercial installer for over 20 years. And I have found a solution for your slippery floor. And no, it's not a renovation. It's called Safe Floor. This is a solution that you apply to the top of your tile, and through science, it makes it less slippery. If this content is helpful, show me some love and click that like button down below. Faber is an Italian company that got their start making glazes for the other tile factories. So what they did is they reverse engineered, calculated some stuff, and figured out how they could create a solution that would increase the grip of already installed tile. This solution actually creates micro-abrasions in the glaze, which gives your foot, with a shoe or without, more connection to the floor and therefore more grip. Another great thing about this solution, it doesn't change the look of your tile. I've tested it myself on a lot of different materials, whether it's porcelain, ceramic, high glaze, matte. I even tested it on some stones. I saw no difference in the appearance, but I saw a significant increase in the grip strength of the product. Obviously, if you want to upgrade your tile, we're here to serve you. But if you just want a solution for a slippery floor, try Safe Floor. It's on tilebar.com today. If you loved that product, I know you're gonna love this one. Click right here, but before you leave, click the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up notification, and the bell icon so you don't miss any future content. And don't forget, let's keep learning together and tile the world.